Hey there, welcome back to brand new video on our channel, and in this video we are going to check out how to create a multi-boot USB flash disk. So let the take begin. Creating a bootable USB disk comes handy when we have to reinstall our operating system in the case of a system failure. It's effortless to put ISO files on portable flash drives. There are many operating systems available in the market, either free or paid. Life is a lot easier when we have a single storage media which contains many ISO files. So first of all, you have to open up the browser and click on the link given in the description below and download the latest version of WinSetup from USB. During the production of this video, 1.8 is the latest version of the software. After downloading, you need to connect the flash drive to your computer. It will work without any installation. Open Windows Setup from USB. Open the 32-bit and 64-bit version according to your operating system. Make sure your flash drive is listed. Click refresh if it is not there in the list. Tick auto format it with FBinst. Note that you have to click this option only for the first ISO installation. Choose FAT32 if your computer is set to boot using UEFI mode, else go with the NTFS option. To add the ISO file for your multi-boot USB, tick the checkbox corresponding to OS under Add to USB Disk subheading. Here I am using the Windows 10 ISO. Now click on the advanced options. Now tick the custom menu names and close the advanced options. Click go. A data deletion warning message will be displayed. This is because you have chosen to format the flash drive. Click on yes. Do remember to check the flash drive name before clicking yes, else you will end up formatting some other connected storage media. Another warning message will be displayed telling you that all the partitions will be erased. Click on yes. If the size of your ISO is larger than 4 GB, it will show a message to split the file into parts. This is because you have chosen the FAT32 option. Next, it will ask for the folder name. Type the desired one in 30 seconds or it will be auto selected. Click on OK. It will ask for the boot menu name. This will appear when you run the multi-boot USB on some PC and choose an operating system. Type your design name like Windows 10 64-bit. Click OK. The process will take few minutes to finish. This software does not support dual ISOs. It can't have 32-bit and 64-bit version in a single ISO. It will then show an error message. After when the process is completed, you will be shown a dialog box mentioning job done. Click OK to finish. Now the main question is how to add the second ISO file in the same USB disk. Start the tool again. Select your flash drive in the drop down menu. Don't click auto format with FBinst. This is because it will remove your previous ISO file. Now for the second ISO file, I am having a Linux ISO. So I am selecting this option. Add the second ISO file for your multi-boot USB. Click go and repeat the steps mentioned earlier. Follow the same process to add more ISO files. Now to install the operating system, you have to go to the boot menu and set the USB priority to first. Now save the settings and restart your PC. Plug in the pen drive. Wait for some time and let your PC boot. Now select the desired OS. Install the desired OS, repeat for another OS installation, and that's it, done. And if you want to reuse your bootable flash drive as a normal pen drive, what you have to do is to format your flash drive by loading the device defaults. Once the format is completed, now you can use this bootable drive as a normal pen drive. So that's it guys for this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to Techniverse Spotted if you are new here. And don't forget to click on that bell notification icon.